As you can see, it's quite boring on the dash, and the gear knob has seen better days, obviously from wedding rings and stuff. So I'm going to replace some fascias on the dash with some carbon fibre style fascias, and I've got a new gear knob to replace the tatty old one. Obviously you've got to make sure that they match. I'm going to do the gear knob first. Helpful suggestion: if you're in the driver's seat and you're going to do it, pop it into 6, because when you pull it up, because they pull directly up, you're going to go into the empty space here rather than towards the windscreen, and you don't want to be breaking your windscreen. If you're in the passenger seat doing it, put it into 2nd, and the same again, it goes backwards when you pull up rather than into your windscreen. So I'm going to have to put the camera down while I get this off. So it just comes straight off. Like I said, you might need to kneel on the seat to pull up because it is actually quite stuck on, but there's no screws or clips or anything. It just pulls straight off, and then it's just a case of getting the new one and popping it straight on. Push down firmly, because that's all it is that keeps it on. And there we have it. New gear stick. Looks better than the tatty old one, as you can see. Onto the fascias. First thing you need to do, you need to wipe down all your plastics with an alcoholic rub of some sort. It obviously takes all the grease off and helps with the sticking of the M3 sticks on the back. Peel it all off. Obviously it's very, very warm today, so the heat actually helps. But if you're doing this in the middle of winter, make sure you warm the sticky pads up with a hairdryer or something, and push it on firmly. There you go. That one's on. These are very, very well made. It's ABS plastic, but they look very, very good with and they're all stuck on. Now for the stereo one, which is, I think it's going to look very good all together. Just like the top one, again, peel it all off the back, and it should just stick straight on. There we go. Apply pressure to all the areas where you know the sticky stuff was. And there you have it. I think it looks pretty good. Now I just need to wrap all this in some carbon fibre or paint it black, one of the two. Watch out for another video. Thanks for watching.